Welcome to my honest review of Vinci Hair Clinic, a well-known provider of hair restoration services. If you're struggling with alopecia or hair loss, you may have heard of Vinci Hair Clinic, but is it really the best option for you? Let's take a closer look. Vinci Hair Clinic offers a range of solutions for hair loss, including hair transplant surgery, non-surgical treatments, and medical therapies. One of the key features of their service is the personalized approach they take with each patient. They evaluate the degree of hair loss, the client's health, and their goals before recommending a specific treatment plan. Now, let's talk about the hair transplant procedure itself. Vinci Hair Clinic specializes in advanced hair transplant techniques, including FUE, follicular unit extraction, which is less invasive than traditional hair transplant methods. The clinic prides itself on its state-of-the-art equipment and skilled surgeons who are trained in the latest procedures. However, while the results can be impressive, it's important to understand that hair transplants are not a one-size-fits-all solution. The success of the procedure can vary depending on factors, like the extent of hair loss and the quality of your donor hair. But what about non-surgical treatments? Vinci offers solutions like PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy, which uses your body's own blood to stimulate hair regrowth. This treatment is less invasive and can be a good option for those not ready for surgery. However, results can take time, and not everyone responds to PRP therapy the same way. One of the things that sets Vinci Hair Clinic apart is its customer service. From my personal experience, their staff is professional and knowledgeable. They make sure you fully understand your treatment options, what to expect during the process, and the recovery timeline. However, some customers have reported that the costs can be quite high, especially for hair transplants, and there may be additional fees for follow-up consultations. The clinic also offers a variety of products that claim to help with hair regrowth, including shampoos and supplements. While these can complement treatments, they are not a substitute for more comprehensive medical solutions. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Vinci Hair Clinic provides a range of quality services for those dealing with alopecia or hair loss. But it's important to keep in mind that hair restoration is a process that requires time, patience, and sometimes a significant financial investment. I recommend consulting with the clinic for a detailed consultation before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on future reviews. Thanks for watching.